The horseless carriage is catching on. The first talkie plays on the silver screen.
You ain't heard nothing yet. Wait a minute, I tell you.
And Samuel Blanc invents the sewer cleaning machine. A huge leap in plumbing technology in its day, Mr. Blanc's novel concept was invented to unclog his son Milton's drain. And as you can see, the machine used today is the same basic machine, virtually unchanged since the early 1900s. However, it has its limitations. The line can bind quite easily, and see how the blade beats against the pipe wall, abusing the pipe wall without actually cleaning it. When it encounters the blockage, it doesn't remove it, it only punches a hole in it, leaving a new blockage in the making. Even worse, if the blade breaks through the pipe wall and leaves the pipe, it can continue digging and hit an electrical or a gas line, endangering the operator. Thankfully, in the 21st century, we now use high-pressure water jetting to clean our lines, up to 4,000 psi and volume anywhere from 20 to 25 gallons per minute. As you can see, this method of cleaning and removing blockage maintains the integrity of the pipe. After jetting, an infrared camera allows the technician to visually inspect the pipe for laterals or other debris. In a pipe caked with grease, a camera would never be able to see the wall through the debris a sewer cleaning machine would leave behind. Even when faced with a blockage like this entire chicken, the water jetting heads remove the blockage while continuing to pressure wash the pipe wall. No spinning blades, no potential damage to the pipe, just a clean, unobstructed pipe.